So it's going to be exit signs and also signs inside the box, and this is going to be an unboxing video. Of course, I do have a lot inside, and also maybe fire alarms inside as well, but I don't know. Let's go ahead and do that. Alrighty, now we're going to go ahead and open up with the key, and I think it's going to work. Let's see. Oh, there you go. There you go. Unbox this. Ouch, that hurt. Just give me a second. Alright, so here are all the exit signs and also emergency lights inside of here too. Alright, let's go to... I think we'll start off with this emergency light right here. This is a commercial electric emergency light. No, that one's old. Alright, we'll be putting him onto the shelf right here. Let's put this guy up. So here's our first emergency light. We're going to go ahead and... There's another one right here. This one right here, this is my LED open sign, and I also never used this one before. So this one will be going up to the other shelf. So I recommend rather put it right over here, I think. Okay. And then here's another one right here. We're going to go ahead and see this one. This black one right here. This is my black commercial electric emergency light. This one right here. And rather put it right next to it right here. So the emergency lights will be attached together right nearby. And then here's another one. Uh-oh. This is my Lithonia lighting emergency light right here. Different than this one. These two, but this one has LED emergency lights right here, of course. Different. This one right here, I got my, this is my extra thin exit sign combo. Of course, this one's supposed to be in the combo shelf. Whether I put it right here. There you go. And then the other one right here, we do have, this is my private property sign. I rather like put in my room, but I'm not gonna put it up on camera just yet. So the sign should be like under my desk. All right. This one right here, this is my no trespassing sign, an Italian sign, of course. Whether like put it right here for now. This one right here, this is my Italian sign. Is Viculi Passo di Uomo, which rather like put it inside of my desk. And there's like a more coming up. Alright, this one right here, this is my Entre Iscre Agio sign. And this one's supposed to be inside in here. Rather cannot fit. Now there's a lot of more inside here. Alright, let's put the boxes back here. There's more. This is my Ruin No Trespassing sign. I never used that sign before, but we'll have to put it in here. This one right here, I got my warning 20 hours surveillance private property no trespassing sign. And of course, I might put it outside, I think. So, this one is going to be in my desk. Alright? That. There's a lot more. This one right here, I got my gray Edwards bell. And I do not know why there's like a bell inside my exit sign box, but I'd rather put this thing right here on top of it. Right next to it, of course. Maybe I can say on top of it. Boom. Like that. And there's a lot of more. Let's see this one. This one right here, I got my black exit sign, but this one does not even have emergency lights. I recommend put this guy right here. There you go. Or maybe I could put the fire alarm bell right next to the exit sign because it's here. Alright, that's it. And there's more, but we're not done. This is my AC only sign. Of course, I'm gonna put it right over here only. See what else? So this one right here, I got my Lithonia lighting profile exit sign combo. And of course, I'm gonna put it right here. Next to the donut picture. And next to my super glue thing right there. This one right here, I got my Lithonia lighting exit sign combo. Of course, different. We're gonna put it right over here. Oh, is this one? Okay, never mind. Put it right over here. Alright, here's the next one. This is my oval emergency light, of course. We're gonna put it right here. Alright, and what's next? Our next one is my edge-lit exit sign, aluminum. Of course, we're gonna put it on the shelf. Uh-oh. Something's missing. Oh, there's a screw in it. Don't know why it's there. Alright then. There we go. Look at that standing. Alright. Next exit sign. Oh, actually we have like 4 exit signs. Let's look at this LHQM combo unit right here. This is my LHQM exit sign combo in black. Really nice. We're gonna put it right below it. So we're gonna put this combo in right here. So I'll move the panda. And I'm gonna move this thing right here. We're gonna be putting it right here. There we go. Alright, he's staying here. And then there's more. This one right here, I got my damaged LHQM combo. It's really damaged. Look at this. I'm gonna like glue this in. Just give me a second. Alright, now the emergency light head has been attached, but the faceplate is actually damaged. Still damaged, but yeah. But how about our last unit here? Our light fixtures combo unit right here. Of course, this one needs to be replaced. Wires. Okay. Okay, now let's snap in the plate inside. Light fixtures combos will not work on here. Let's do any of this right now. Okay. Alright. So we don't need this box anymore. I'm going to throw it out. Alright, y'all. So that is my exit sign unboxing video. Please comment and subscribe and have a good day.